Hi friends, so today I'm going to show you how you take a side view, very simple side view, and then you transform it into a 3/4 front view and a 3/4 back view. It's a very easy technique when you want to start making some sketching and you want to try to understand how is the front and the back of your car. More or less you like already your side view. So this is of course for beginners, okay? So it's a very simple perspective type. It's not too complicated. And follow me. Let's go and check it out. Okay, so first of all, marker paper, black soft pencil. This is Faber-Castell, or also Prismacolor would be good. Prismacolor is this one. No, those are the Prisma colors, okay? But basically they are both very good. Pencil sharpener to have always a very nice point, okay? So let's start. I make my side view, okay? So I make the first wheel, front wheel, rear wheel, okay? The wheel well. Okay. Okay, so let's start taking care of this outline. Okay. I go really fast because I want to get to the point, okay? This is not a tutorial to make a really super hot sketch, okay? Okay. So, if we make quick sketching, okay, so that we want to exercise our creativity on on a project or something, okay, or just for pleasure, okay. Now from here we have an idea about our car, okay. Okay, so let's say that this is our sketch, okay? Now, from this one, which is our side view, I would like to make a 3/4 front, okay? So, I will put underneath and I trace it, and look what I do. I move the whole drawing more on the right because I need more space here. Of course, because now we are taking the car and we are moving like this. So we're gonna show a lot more of the front part. And we are going to hide this part, which is the back, because the car is turning this way. So first of all, let's start always from the base. The wheels. The wheels remain basically round. Look. Okay? But there is something new. Now, the wheels that we have here before in side view, the other ones were just behind it. Now that we are turning the car this way, those wheels will move over here, the one from the other side. So I'm going to make this line here and this line here because those two are the wheels behind that are moving in the front because the car is turning. So look what happens. This will be a lot shorter, okay? And here we will have a part of the front. Okay, I go quick, all right? So our front light, okay. Reflection on the front part of the windshield, okay? Okay, can you see? Now, if we want to make the back part of the car, we do the opposite. We move the side view sketch in the front to leave more space on the side. In the back area, okay? Like this. And once again, start from the wheels, okay? And this time, I do the opposite thing. I take the wheels that are behind and move it in the back because we are turning the car like this. And the front part will be much, much shorter. So this is a very simple exercise, okay, that you can make. You know, this very quick. Okay, so you see, this is very quick, very fast. One thing very important to understand is that when we do those type of perspective, vanishing points, okay, they are to the infinite. So, okay, For this reason, most of all lines, like the ground line, they are parallels. You see? They are not converging because we are moving, we are turning our car on the same plane. Can you see? And this is why the wheels are basically circles. Or the words, they can be or circle, okay, circle, or 90-degree ellipse. Both of them, it's okay, okay? Same thing here, you see? And this was our side view reference. Okay, so this is a final result, very quick, very fast. You know, to be honest, there is not a very good line quality, was not the objective. The objective was really to show you how you can take a side view, which was this one, and then just turn it into a front and then into a rear view, okay? Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye.